2, feet up. 3, hip up. Kip. One more. 4, that's it. Alright. Now let's have a little fun. 1. 2. Bring the kettlebells in. Yeah, there you go. Once you get them in, bring them in. That's it. Good. That's it. Good job. That's proper form right there. That's very explosive. Let's go. Up. Good. That's 1. Good. That's it. Put it down. Whew.